the roots of the equation 3 root x plus 5 into x raised to minus 1 by 2 equals to root 2 can be found by solving means some other equation. Here you have to first solve this equation and you have to find a parallel equation in simple terms which will have the same roots as this equation. So how to solve this? Quite easy. See here 3, what is this? Root x means x raised to 1 by 2 plus 5 into x raised to, see here the equation can be written as like this, 3 into x raised to 1 by 2 plus 5 into x raised to minus 1 by 2 equals to 2 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, so 5 into x raised to minus 1 by 2, keep everything else as it is and solve this. 1 upon x raised to 2. Why? Because x raised to 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 upon x raised to 1 by 2, right? Now let x raised to 1 by 2 equals to y. Therefore it becomes what? 3y plus 5 upon y equals to square root of 2, right? Write it square root of 2. I have written it and then again converted. Keep it as it is, square root of 2. Okay. So 3y square, y, multiply this y on both the sides. 3y square plus 5 equals to root 2y. Okay. So 3y square plus 5 the whole square equals to square of this now. Root 2 square is 2 into y square. Okay. Solve this. Therefore 9y raised to 4 plus 5 3 is 15 2 is 30y square plus 25 equals to 2y square, right? A plus b the whole square, this formula. So solve this. 2y square on this side, it becomes 9y raised to 4 plus 28y square plus 25 equals to 0. Solve this. Re-input the values of y, x in terms of y. So square root, so it becomes 9x square plus 28x plus 25 equals to 0. Now the question ends here itself. This is the answer. Why? Because what was the question? It can be the roots of the equation blah 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 can be found by solving. Means if you want to solve this equation, what is the other equation which is similar to this, which will have the same roots as this equation? So this equation 9x square plus 28x plus 25 will have the same roots as this 3 root x plus 5 into x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus equals to root 2. Okay, that is the answer. Next, Swati can row her boat at a speed of 5 kph in still water.